2 weeks ago, I facilitated a 1,600 person workshop in Memphis, and today I'm about to facilitate a live facilitation training session. This is going to be a remote session, and so far we have over 1,000 signups, which means there's probably going to be about 500 people who actually attend this evening session. I'm going to be teaching people a 1-hour problem solving workshop, and you're going to get a chance to look behind the scenes on how I plan and prepare for something like this. Enjoy. Woo! Write stickies on what's holding us back. Again, a note alone exercise. Same rules, make sure that you watch your handwriting. My energy has changed a little right now. I'm a bit more focused because it's kind of getting serious now, you know. I really need to cop on and get this done. I'm finishing off my slides. I have prepared everything. Here's what I made earlier, essentially. So I'm getting all my bits and pieces prepared, going through it in a linear format. And yeah, just kind of practicing it in my head.
Yeah, so the only thing is to spend time, remove the values text, spend some time on the testimonials. Feel that sweet credibility up.
Perfect.
The thicker the better, the bolder the better, the more contrasty the better. Otherwise, like, Zoom crashes down the quality. Bigger. That needs to be so much bigger.
Bigger and better. Oh, Jesus.
Oh yeah.
We tested the music already.
Yeah, let's test again.
What do we need to do right
Can
Nothing.
you just do you?
You just need to relax. You just need to hype yourself up. Like, I don't want the AJ&Smart.
Okay, so basically, not only do I have to prepare for this live later for over 1,000 people at this stage, I also have to do my other day-to-day tasks. So right now what I'm working on is trying to make a LinkedIn post, but you know what? I love it. Now please go away. You just take like me first, and then take my hand is what I'm doing. Hey everyone, I want to show you exactly why collaboration is broken, and I want to show you exactly where it breaks down.
Salads!
Food.
Whoa.
No, it might be muted. It is muted, I think.
On what?
On that.
If it's showing yellow, it's
Yeah.
muted.
Yeah.
Wait, why am I not doing it here?
I don't know, it's not. Getting dressed, getting changed.
Yeah.
No way. Yeah?
Yeah.
Working. Okay.
Yeah.
Remove the thing. Fantastic. Switch the camera from... Yeah, love it. Welcome everyone, blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah.
Uh-oh.
There she is.
Here comes the talent.
And
Don't break anything, please.
yeah.
Why is this moved like that? Is this okay?
I moved it because it was reflecting the window,
yeah.
and then nobody could see anything.
Camera next to the PowerPoint, you will be able to have both of them the same size.
Every single time that we have a live stream, up until the very last second, we're still preparing, we're still setting up the tech, we're still running tests, and everyone is always freaking out, and that's exactly the emotions, that's exactly what you can feel now. Like, the tension is palpable. Look at Rebecca. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that tension.
I'm so happy. I actually am. It's just I want to make it perfect for everyone.
19 minutes before the live stream. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I have like a nervous energy, huh? But it's more like excitement and starvation. Forgot to eat all day.
Are you gonna be able to eat all that?
Absolutely not. I'll probably eat like one piece of chicken and then go back and try practice while I'm doing. I'm excited.
You need to get, I just feel like Rebecca. Remember you got a share screen? That's
Yes.
We did that with John last time.
Yeah, I'm just got my
And I
hands
can come
eat.
over.
I can never eat before things like this. Yeah, you can come over sometimes. Is that a fly? It is. Ooh. Okay, I can't eat. This isn't.
We have a bit of chocolate.
I have something that I just need to think about. My brain is scattered. There's no music, that's what's wrong with me. So all my notes are going to be there too.
Why is she smoking now?
Dinner.
Timmy,
You want me to start doing that?
change of plans. Rebecca.
4 minutes beforehand. For the teaching part, it might be okay for them not to see my slides, and it might be better for them to see the whole screen.
Yeah, okay.
So will I just, is there anything I need to do on my side to make that happen?
Stop.
Stop share
Okay,
screen.
perfect.
No. So it's on like when the sailboat, when you see the sailboat come up, stop it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.
3 minutes.
Are we gonna lock the window?
3 minutes. Woo! 2 minutes. Like, is everything ready?
It's currently live. Let's go, team!
Are you feeling?
Feeling good!
Whoop whoop!
A workshop that we did around 3 weeks ago in Memphis, which is crazy to even say, but we ran the world's best companies. You can see some of them here. We teach, we actually do what we're teaching them what we do. This workshop can help any team of any size make decisions and solve problems. It's so hot in here, like one thing. It's just so much better for both introverts and extroverts. With this course, with all the books and all the information that's out there, you can develop and learn new skills. So in our course, you're learning active listening skills. We teach you exactly what you need to know there to become a better, more successful facilitator. We teach you how to ask good questions, which is a huge skill for a facilitator to have, because you're constantly kind of drawing out the best in your participants, and you need to do that by asking good questions. Yeah, and also you need to be really great at giving clear instructions so that when you're explaining exercises to people, that people aren't lost, they're on the same page. Also in the course we go really deep into how to deal with difficult participants, because this happens every single workshop you're in. There's always going to be someone in the group that's going to try to throw you off, or is going to try, I suppose, like take the discussion off track. So having these skills is definitely really important too. But yeah, like starting out, just be good, like be interested in working with people and helping them get things done, essentially. If you have a teaching background, wow, you're basically you're basically there. Having a teaching background is amazing because you're used to giving clear instructions, you're used to dealing with groups of difficult participants, difficult troublemakers. You have all the baseline skills already if you're an educator, if you're already somebody like a coach, a trainer. Yeah, people used to working with groups. Is great. Facilitation fundamentals, and just, you know, leveling up your facilitation skills and becoming the best facilitator you could possibly ever be. Thanks so much for listening. Peace out. Did I say peace out? Oh my god, I've never said that in my life. Bye everyone. Bye. See you soon. Thanks. How are we feeling?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm just worried about the links, that's all. Did we get the links in?
Shall we call the bosses?
We should call the bosses.
That was so stressful.
Oh my gosh! Was it okay? How was it?
Really good. The vibes were amazing. People were loving it. Very, very positive.
Okay, good.
Start undressing, Jonathan. Go on.
Hey everyone. Day 2, the aftermath of our live training session, and I'm going to show you the scene. This is what's left. So we ran the training session yesterday evening, and what we normally do after a training session like this, because they normally run late, is we just turn everything off and leave the set in a mess. And then day 2, we just kind of tidy everything up and get everything organized again. But it's a big production here. As you can see, a lot going on. We had such a great time with the live session last night. We all had so much fun. The energy was high. The group that we had were super engaged. So if you like kind of seeing this sort of thing, the behind the scenes footage of how we prepare and get ready for things like this, then let us know in the comments. Let us know if you want to see more of this sort of stuff. Also, if you want to participate in these sort of training sessions that we run, then be sure to join the Facilitator Club community. The link to join is in the description below. As you can hear, my voice is gone. By the end of last night, my voice was completely gone. But yeah, it was still so much fun. Anyway, that's all from me. I will see you all soon. Bye.